Good morning guys. This is our load for district. See my securement guys. That is good or not? Because if I put the chain there, maybe make it damage in the this one. Kung nakikita yun guys, may damage doon. Siguro yung unang nagkarga dito may dyan nagtali. Kaya dito ko na lang tinali guys. Hindi ko alam kung okay yan. Kasi sa kabila ganyan din. Yan. Yan guys. What do you think guys? That is good securement or not? Hindi naman siya masyadong mabigat guys. Mga 9 tons lang yan. 9 tons. Then may kasamang isang paleta doon. Pabalik to ng Dammam guys. Sa yarda ng kliyente namin. Yan. Ito pala ay crown block guys ng rig. Crown block for rig. Okay guys. Okay guys. Aywa.